Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever in the world you may be watching. You're sitting in the New York head office with your master file open, ready to consolidate the information from the 3 branch offices. Down in the taskbar, we can see that we have open 4 files: the head office file and the files emailed to us by the branches Atlanta, Houston, and Los Angeles. Our task is made much easier by having all 4 files showing on the screen at the same time. To do that, we click View, Arrange All, select the tiled option and choose OK. All 4 files now appear on the screen. Now click in the first empty cell in the master file. Then we click Data, Data Tools, Consolidate. The Consolidate window opens and we'll put a tick in Create Links to Source Data if there's not already one there. This means that if changes are made later to the source data, the master file will update automatically, as we shall see later. We're going to choose the Sum option, which appears by default, although there are other options available to me, but we'll choose Sum. We want to add the information from the 3 branches. Now click in the reference field, and then in the first branch file, in this case Houston, we choose the data in each of the cells and click Add. We then repeat the process for Atlanta. We choose each of the cells with information and choose Add, and finally we do the same for Los Angeles. We click Add, and now we click OK, and you'll notice that the data in the master file has been completed for us. Now you notice also that we removed the ribbons by pressing Ctrl F1 simply to give us more space on the screen. You could bring the ribbons back by pressing Ctrl F1 again. Now let's suppose that Atlanta forwarded an email advising the sales have been understated by 100,000 in week 1. So what we'll do is to change the sales for week 1 in Atlanta, the direct sales we'll imagine, to 440,000. And when I press enter, watch what happens up here in the direct sales in the master sheet. It increases by the 100,000. The reason that happened was because we chose to create links to the source data when we initially set up the consolidate window. Now, as you can see, there's nothing too difficult about consolidating data from different files. There's a little bit of setting up to do, but it is worth it, of course, in the long run. It can be very, very efficient. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or leave a comment. And of course, we love likes. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.